People are watching my channel Civil Engineering with Tariq. Friend, today my topic is about briefly the distress and the cause of distress in asphalt. So let's see. So its answer is that distress, any indication of unsatisfactory performance of a pavement surface is called distress. Cause of distress, distress के causes क्या है? Number one, traffic load. Number two, environment or climate influence. Number three, drainage deficiencies. Number four, material quality problem. Number five, construction definition deficiencies and external contributor. Number six, such as utility cut. Types of distress: cracks, distortion, disintegration, skidding, a hazard, and surface treatment distress. Number 1. Cracks. Several different types of cracks can develop in asphalt pavement. The repair depends on the type of cracks. Some cracks are load related and some are attributable to temperature or environment. So it is self-explained. Fatigue cracks are alligator cracks caused due to by load-related deterioration resulting from a weakened base course or subgrade. Too little pavement thickness, overloading, or a combination of these factors. B. Block cracks. Block cracks are a series of large rectangular cracks on an asphalt pavement surface. Block cracking is typical caused by shrinkage of the asphalt pavement due to temperature cycle. Number C. Edge cracks. Edge cracks are longitudinal cracks which develop within 1 or 2 feet of the outer edge of the pavement. These cracks are formed because of a lack of support at the pavement edge. D. Longitudinal cracks. Longitudinal cracks occur parallel to the center line of the pavement, caused by poorly constructed joint, shrinkage of asphalt layer, segregation due to improper pave operation. These cracks are not load related. E. Transverse cracks. Transverse cracks occur roughly perpendicular to the central line of the pavement, caused by shrinkage of asphalt layer or reflection from an existing cracks. These cracks are not load related. F. Reflection cracks. Reflection cracks are cracks that form or joint or cracks in a concrete pavement or in an overlay of a distorted asphalt pavement. These cracks form due to movement of old pavement. G. Slippage cracks. Slippage cracks are crescent-shaped cracks which formed because of low strength of asphalt mix or a poor bond between pavement layers. These cracks form due to force applied by turning or braking motion of vehicle. Number 2. Distribution bend. Distortion bend. Distortion in an asphalt pavement is caused by instability of an asphalt mix or weakness of the base of or subgrade layer. This distress may include rutting, shoving, depression, swelling, and patch failures. Rutting: a groove or depression formed on the surface on the road longitudinal to the road by the wheel of a vehicle is called rut. Rutting is a linear surface depression in the wheel path due to heavy traffic load. Rutting is caused by deformation or consolidation of any of the pavement layers or subgrade. It can be caused by insufficient pavement thickness, lack of compaction, and weak asphalt mixture. Shoving यानी push. Shoving is a longitudinal displacement of a localized area of the pavement surface It is typically caused by breaking It is typically caused by breaking of vehicle excess asphalt, too much fine aggregate, rounded aggregate, too soft asphalt, or a weak granular base. Depression is localized low spot in the pavement surface. These flaws can be caused by settlement or other failure on the lower pavement layer or by poor construction technique. Upheaval and disturbance. Upheaval is a localized upward movement in a pavement due to swelling of the subgrade. Forest heave is an example of this type of distress. Page failures. When pavement are paved, some distress may begin to occur. This rate at which a page deteriorates is influenced by compaction material selection and the quality of the surrounding or underlying pavement. Number 3. Disintegration yani breakup. Disintegration is the breakup of a pavement into a small pieces that are lost with time and traffic. Raveling and potholo- potho- potholes are the most common types of disintegration. Raveling is the wearing away of the aggregate particle from the asphalt cement. This condition indicates that the asphalt has hardened or that poor quality mixture was used. Raveling occurs in the presence of traffic. Potholes. Depression in a surface of a road roughly circular in a plane is called pothole. Potholes are ball-shaped holes caused by the localized disintegration of the pavement surface. Potholes typically result from the continued deterioration of another type of distress. Segregation cracks or failed patches may serve as the start of the pothole. Poor mixture and weak spot in the base or subgrade. Number 4. Skidding hazard. Skidding hazard are caused by number 1. Water on the surface on the pavement. Number 2. Polish segregate. Number 3. Excess asphalt. Number 4. Other lubricant on the pavement surface. Polish aggregate. Some aggregate are a smooth finish or texture under traffic. This aggregate should not be used in the wearing course. If the aggregate polishes or the surface roughness must be restored. Bleeding. Bleeding can be caused by number 1. Too much asphalt in mix. Number 2. Excess take coat. Number 3. Traffic can also or compact an unsuitable mix and force asphalt to the surface. Number 5. Surface treatment distress. Surface treatment can experience their own distress. These include loss of core aggregate and streaking lines.